Kauai Councilman Arthur Brune made his first court appearance today and pled not guilty to drugs and weapons charges. Federal prosecutors described him as the leader of a drug trafficking ring with deep ties to a notorious gang leader. Manolo Morales has more from the Garden Isle.
Law enforcement says there's plenty of evidence to prove that Brune was the leader of the crime ring. There are taped conversations from wiretaps of both his cell phones. There's also video of Brune actually making a drug buy. Brune is one of 12 suspects indicted after a sting operation and now faces drug trafficking and weapons charges. Prosecutors have filed motions that Brune should be held in custody while awaiting trial because he is a danger to the community. Documents say he has the criminal connections and means to threaten and retaliate against witnesses. Prosecutors say Brune is the leader of a criminal ring that distributed methamphetamine throughout Kauai, and he had dangerous associates.
One of whom was a gang leader and another a convicted felon who protected Arthur Brune and the drug trafficking organization.
The gang leader is identified as Maluelue Umu of USO, short for United Samoan Organization, and according to prosecutors, Brune's protector is Orlando Mangushe.
Among other things, protect Brune and the organization by physically confronting or threatening those at odds with Arthur Brune.
Prosecutors also filed court papers saying Brune sometimes requested sexual favors as repayment for drugs he supplied, and he showed no regard for law enforcement. When he was arrested and charged in October for assaulting an officer during a traffic stop, the officer got hurt because he was trying to get the keys out of Brune's car before he drove off. There's a recorded phone conversation of Brune saying, his fault he got hurt. He stuck his arm in the car. The cops stuck his arm in the car. That's why he had a assault case. Brune has hired attorney Rustam Barbie, who also represented former HPD Chief Louis K. Aloha on conspiracy and obstruction of justice charges.
So we just had a chance to briefly look at the charges, and later on when we get more information about the charges, we'll make some decisions.
A detention hearing is scheduled Wednesday in federal court to determine if Brune can be released while waiting for trial. Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.